Work. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here for the Tiger Financial News Network noon update. The Dow is up 264 at 31,094, all-time high. Way above that trending uprising trend line. And yesterday was the first time. Today's the second time. That's really important. You remember, I like to see a push above any resistance level for 2 out of 3 bars, consecutive bars preferably. And that's usually a big positive because it raises the base of support. The S&P all-time high trading right now. Actually, it's very interesting. The S&P is up 1.4%. The Dow's only up 0.87. So the S&P at 50, up 52 at 3,800 has gone to this leg D, both of them actually, right there in leg D. And all-time high. Leg D in the weekly chart, only a leg B in the monthly that still looks out and says, hey, 2021 should still see higher prices over the months to come. It doesn't tell you how far it can pull back, but it says higher highs. That's important. And look here, the S&P MACD is cross positive. I forgot to look to see if the Dow finally crossed positive. Yep, there it is. Very big positive cross. That is really important in my book. On the daily, the weekly is very good. And the monthly is, of course, in leg C, just breaking the resistance, long-term resistance line. Well, the month is still very young, so we won't talk about that. The QQQ, 1, 2, 3, there we go. Hasn't taken out the left side high of 315.29, but is up 2.19%. Hey, up 6.71 at 314.25. Just about a point and a little bit to go, and then it breaks to a new high. In leg D in the weekly chart, very good action. The MACD is not very good. Stochastic's not very good. But remember the 9-period moving average above the 14-period, a fantastic technique to use. It's still nicely above that. That is great. IWM, the small caps, and remember we remain long the Dow, we remain long the IWM, breaking to a new all-time high above the trend line, but the day is young. It's just bouncing above it right now. It's up 1.26%, up 2.58 to 207.11. And look at that strong move up right into resistance. Hey, just before we go to the break, because we want to talk about, in my show, we're talking about the TLT, but right now we'll talk about gold. Gold is trading as we're about to go to the break before my show. I couldn't get it. Uh-oh, something went wrong. Anyway, the gold is something to watch, but also the dollar's moving nicely. Oh, there's so much to talk about. Stay for my show, The Tiger Technicians Hour. I'll be right back in a moment.